Hey guys, and welcome to the Saucy Italian. And what am I making tonight? I'm wearing the same outfit as I made the tiramisu because tonight I'm making dinner for some friends. So I'm actually in a new kitchen. I'm at a friend's house, and tonight it's her boyfriend's birthday. So I make the tiramisu as a cake, and tonight I'm going to make Boscaiola, rigatoni alla Boscaiola. So it's very similar to the amatriciana that I made, but this has porcini mushrooms and cream. Oh my God, it's so good. So, what are the ingredients that we're gonna need? You're gonna get your water, get ready to boil. You're gonna need some guanciale, okay? If you can't find guanciale, which I couldn't, but then I found it, so it's not an easy item to find, but you have to go to certain specialty supermarkets to find it. So guanciale is pork jowl. So you're gonna want some guanciale. I used half of it and I've already cut it up. You're gonna want some garlic, some porcini mushrooms. Fresh is best, but if you can't find fresh porcini mushrooms, then I got the dehydrated ones, and then you soak them for I soaked them for about an hour-ish, and then just squeeze them out and then cut them up, and some parsley. And then you're gonna want some onion. I've got red onion. You can use whatever onion you want, okay? Last time I used red onion for something, I had a shit ton of people saying, why are you using red onion? What's the difference? Why not yellow onion? Because it's the only onion I had tonight. So I'm using a red onion, and this is the onion. These are the onions we use in Italy anyway. So then you're gonna want some tomato sauce. You don't want diced or crushed tomatoes. I mean, you can if you want. So I had these San Marzanos peeled tomatoes, and I actually blended them and made it into a sauce. And then I had a little extra tomato sauce here. Everything is organic. So let's begin. Let's get the, let me show you guys how this is done. So I'm gonna bring you guys over here, and we're gonna make our Boscaiola. So I've got my trusty frying pan. What we're gonna do is we're going to put in the guanciale first. And we're gonna saute the guanciale and use the oil from the guanciale, all right? So let me raise my flame up just a little bit. Guanciale really does make a difference when you use it. I mean, you can, if you can't find guanciale, you can use pancetta, okay? But guanciale really makes a big difference. I forgot, living in Italy for 26 years, I truly forgot the difference it made, but it's got a totally different flavor to it, and it actually enhances the flavor of your foods. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna saute this guanciale until it tightens up a little bit and it's fully cooked, and then I'm gonna remove it and put it in a plate, and then I'm gonna put my garlic and my onion and saute that. All right, so the guanciale is almost cooked. Actually, it's fully cooked. It's released its natural oils. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take it out and put it in and drop some on your fucking foot. Ow. Okay, with that done, I've taken out some of the oil, so we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And now we're gonna put in our garlic. I like garlic. The original recipe doesn't call for garlic, but I like garlic. I'm a garlic hoe. No, I'm not a garlic hoe. I don't like garlic that much. I love garlic, but I'm more of a bread hoe and a pasta hoe, but that's okay. So now we're gonna saute the garlic and the onion. And if you like it spicy, feel free to add a little crushed red pepper, which I'm gonna do that in just a second. All right, so we're gonna saute this. And then we're gonna add our mushrooms. All right, so add a little crushed red pepper, as much as you'd like. It's as spicy as you want it. I just add a little tiny bit. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. I use the pink Himalayan salt. I like it a lot better. And the garlic and the onions are almost fully sauteed. Now we're gonna add the porcini mushrooms. So porcini mushrooms, I mean, you can use regular crimini or you can use portobello mushrooms, but porcini mushrooms give it a totally different flavor. Totally different flavor. They smell amazing. They taste amazing. So we're gonna saute this for a couple of minutes. Wow, this is amazing. All right, let's saute this for a couple of minutes, and then we will add the pancetta again, and then we're gonna add the sauce. All right, so we sauteed this for a couple minutes. We're gonna add back in the guanciale. The guanciale, I'm telling you guys, makes total difference versus the pancetta. And add and blend all these amazing flavors. All right, so let's add the sauce. Once again, I use the Cento San Marzano. These are the peeled tomatoes. So I blended them. I made it into a sauce. I mean, you can keep it chunky if you want. That's your call. All right. Oh. And because I love a lot of sauce, this may not be enough. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe this is enough. Maybe I can add just a little bit more of actual sauce. Sauce is all organic, guys. All organic. So now this is going to simmer and cook. The amount of time it takes for this to cook, I would say a good 15 minutes, maybe 15 or 20 minutes. So this has been cooking for about maybe 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm gonna put the rigatoni in, which will take about 12 minutes to cook. And that'll be the rest of the remainder of the time that the sauce is gonna cook. And I'm gonna take the rigatoni out 10 minutes before. I'm gonna cook them for 10 minutes only, take them out, and then put them in the sauce and let them finish cooking. So this sauce is actually on simmer, and it's gonna simmer for an additional 10 minutes. About 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes before the sauce is done and before I throw the pasta in, we're gonna get I got organic heavy whipping cream, okay? It's not sweetened. And we're gonna put between a half a cup to a cup, depending on the thickness and consistency and the creaminess that you want. This is all based on the creaminess you want. You can do a half cup and it'll just turn pink, or you can put a full cup of heavy cream and it'll be a nice creamy Boscaiola. All right, you guys are gonna love this, I promise. It's a very simple and easy dish. All right, guys, ooh, look at this. So the pasta's almost at 10 minutes, not yet. We have a couple more minutes left, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna pour a half a cup of heavy cream and stir. Now, the question is, do I want it creamier? Yes, let's make it a little creamier. I'll put a little bit more in there. Another half cup. So it's a full cup of cream. And this is gonna cook for another minute or two. And then we're gonna get the pasta and we're gonna throw it directly in here, the rigatoni. All right. We got 1 more minute for this to cook. I already tasted the pasta. Always make sure you put salt in your water, guys. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? All right, kids, this is what I got. So I'm gonna turn off my pasta. It still needs about a minute or two to cook. So I'm going to do this because if I move this, I'm gonna burn the shit out of myself. I'm just gonna pour it in here. Oh, this looks good. Guys, this is going to taste amazing. Usually I always say hold the pasta water, but I made a lot of sauce, so we're not gonna need any pasta water in here. And you're gonna wanna cook this for another maybe 30 seconds, maybe a minute, because it was really, really al dente. And just let it simmer in the sauce. See, last time I did this, I burnt myself, so that's why I've got this way over here. I always end up burning myself for whatever reason. That's just, all right. Guys, this is amazing. Look at this. Ooh. It's like a pink sauce. It's almost like a vodka sauce. I'm gonna make that next time. I'm gonna make penne alla vodka. You guys wait for that one. That one's delicious too. All right, so 1 more minute in here. And then we're gonna serve this. And then what you're gonna wanna get is a little bit of parsley and just sprinkle it on top. I'm not gonna put any cheese on here. You can, if you want, sprinkle a little Parmesan, but because there's already heavy cream in here, you really don't need the cheese. But I'm a cheese hoe, so I might put some cheese on here. I don't know yet. All right, kids, be back in exactly 1 minute. I'm gonna put this in a plate. Look at this. With parsley. Oh my God. So I'm gonna put this in a plate. We're gonna go to the table and we're gonna go eat. All right, kids, this is what it looks like. Oh my God, let's go eat. And here are my friends. Hello. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
All right, so we're gonna eat this Boscaiola. You guys are gonna let me know what it tastes like. If you like it, if you don't like it. If you want to put some Parmigiano, go ahead and do that. I want to put some cheese on it, so I'm gonna do a little bit of cheese.
Just a little?
Well, we can do a lot.
Okay.
All right, you can do a lot, Steve.
Just a little.
Would you like some cheese, some pasta with your cheese?
Yes, I would. That was a little.
All right, we're gonna dig in, guys. All right, so this is Boscaiola. Oh, y'all can't see me. What's up? All right. Buon appetito. Let's try it out.
Right.
Salud.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Winner.
2 thumbs up. Mm-hmm.
It's your birthday today, huh?
Yes, it is.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I also made the tiramisu, guys. So I'm gonna be bringing that out in a second. So we're gonna finish eating, and then we're gonna bring out the tiramisu.
All right.
Salud.
Cheers. All right. Woohoo.
So Natasha, how was the pasta? Did you like it?
Oh my God.
Yeah. I'm still working on mine.
Plate looking good.
Steve, you're so slow.
I am.
Shut.
But when I'm done, I'll lick the plate.
Brought to you by Peroni.
Peroni.